How to activate your AIA card. Step 1. Sign into your AI Analysis account and enter the verification code sent to your email. Click Proceed to continue. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the option to activate your AIA card. Click on Activate AIA card to proceed. Step 3. Verify your identity by uploading a clear photo of your identity document. Then click Next to proceed. Step 4. Verify your face by uploading a selfie and following the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. Step 5. Wait for the verification status review. Once your verification is successful, proceed to the next step. Step 6. Enter your personal details and contact information as prompted. Then, submit the information. Step 7. Navigate back to the home page and click on Activate My Card. Enter your name and add your card details. Then, click Confirm to activate your card. Step 8. Once activated, click back to the home page. You can now start using your AI Analysis card for transactions. Step 9. To recharge your card, click on Physical Cards and then Recharge. Select your desired currency and value and click Pay to complete the transfer. Step 10. Your balance will be updated in real time on the top-up section. To view your PIN, verify your email and enter the code sent to your inbox. That's it. You've successfully activated your AI Analysis card. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Happy spending.